Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 73, Quranic Verses, Saying Farewell and Asking for Supplication. Abraham bequeathed and enjoined this submission to his sons, Ishmael and Isaac, and to his grandson Jacob, saying, My sons, Allah has chosen for you, from different ways of faith and life, the religion of Islam, based on submission to Him and absolutely free from any kind of associating partners with Him. Therefore, make sure that you do not die, except as Muslims, those submitted to Him exclusively. Or were you, O children of Israel, of Jacob, witnesses when death came to Jacob, so that you might claim that he bequeathed and enjoined a religion otherwise than as Abraham did, to give yourselves an excuse for refusing Islam? When he said to his sons, What will you worship after me? They answered, We will worship your Allah and the Allah of your fathers, Abraham, Ishmael, and Isaac, one Allah. We are Muslims submitted to Him. Al-Baqarah 132-133. Hadith number 373, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Fadailu Sahaba, 36. Zayd ibn Arqam, may Allah be pleased with him, said, The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, stood up to speak to us. He praised and glorified Allah and warned and reminded. Then he said, O people, I am a mortal, to whom the messenger of my Lord is about to come, and I will answer. I am leaving two great things among you. The first of them is the Book of Allah, which contains guidance and light. So, take the Book of Allah and cling firmly to it. He promoted the Book of Allah and stimulated our desire for it. Then he said, The people of my house. I remind you of Allah in respect of the people of my house. Hadith number 374, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Witr, 23, Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Da'awat, 109. Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I asked the Prophet's permission to make Umrah, and he gave me permission and said, My brother, do not forget us in your supplication. He spoke a word which I would not be happy to exchange for the whole of this world. Hadith number 375, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Jihad, 73. Abdullah ibn Yazid al-Khatmi, may Allah be pleased with him, said, When the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, wanted to say farewell to the army, he said, I commend to Allah your religion and your trust and your final actions.